Blank is the process by which energy is released from food. Nutrition, respiration, excretion, reproduction. Blank is the removal of wastes produced by living things. Nutrition, respiration, excretion, reproduction. Blank is the intake and use of food by living things. Nutrition, respiration, excretion, reproduction. Blank is the process by which living things produce offspring, which allows each kind of living thing to exist on Earth for a long period of time. Nutrition, respiration, excretion, reproduction. There are blank systems in the human body. 4, 206, 11, 78.